Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the 3D models from the SketchUp 3D modeling software and import into your Unreal Engine game project to make it become a game object, and also with automatic collisions, with accurate collisions that you can play it as an object in your Unreal Engine games. Here, you need to export it as FBX file first. Now I can close the Google Chrome browser here. Alright, here I will open a new folder. I will name it chair02. I will export as FBX file inside this folder. File, export, 3D model. I will export it as FBX file. At here, I'll copy this location, Ctrl+C to copy, and then I will click here, Ctrl+V. This is the destinations. I will enter the FBX file name. I will just put chair02. This is a raw FBX file. I export. Right, this is a chair02 FBX. If I double click, I can check with my 3D viewer. And this is the chair. If I want to import into my Unreal Engine 4, I open a new folder here. This is under content. I right click here, open a new folder. I will name it as chair02. Enter. I double click into this folder. First, I will try to import. See, will it be too complicated? We don't want the skeleton mesh, so I won't take here. After that, I will click import all. And this is the first try. It will pop out the message log. This one you can close it after finish it. Now you can see this chair. It had been separated into so many different meshes. If you drag it out, it is something wrong there, you can see. So I will press Ctrl+Z. I don't want all this. So I have another solutions that can solve this. We don't want so many meshes because Unreal Engine is your game engine that you want this chair to be ready to be animated, ready to become the game ready 3D models. So we don't want all this. So this FBX file still be useful. I will use the 3D Exchange 7. Get this software. I purchased this software from Reallusion. And at the same time, here I will open my iClone. iClone 7.91 so far for today. This is the latest version for today. Alright. In this video tutorial, anything that involved with the Reallusion product, the iClone Unreal Live Link, if you still don't know how to install and set up the Unreal Live Link, you can check this video in details. I already put this YouTube video link, how to set up iClone Unreal Live Link. Check this video out for detailed workflow. You can scroll down to check the video description to set up it. For my iClone 7, I already finished setup. The Unreal Live Link is already installed in my iClone 7. Now the SketchUp, I can close it already. Alright, once you already finished set up the Unreal Live Link, then click Plugins, Unreal Live Link. To make sure you click here, Unreal Live Link, to activate it. Now my one is ready. The first thing, untick everything. Make everything untick. Next, this is the 3D Exchange 7. The FBX file just now, the chair02, you have to import into your 3D Exchange 7 first. Click OK. Now, you can see if I use the human size as a reference, this chair is definitely too big. So I will just press R and make this chair small. I press F to face the front. Press R again to make it smaller again. Because of this is human size, the chair size should be something like this. It's scaled to 10%, or alright, I can just put it 13. Then I will click Reset Transform. It will back to the scale of 100, align to center and align to ground. Now, after you finish this step, what you need to do is make sure the iClone is already opened. And here, click Apply to iClone. Now you can see this chair already sent to iClone. And open your Unreal Live link. Make sure you click the little triangle beside the prop. And make sure you tick the chair02. This is from the FBX file that I direct imported into 3D Exchange 7. Now in iClone 7, make sure you take this. And make sure your Unreal Live link, the iClone Live link, already set up inside your Unreal Engine game project. If you still don't know how to set up the Unreal Live link for iClone, then you can scroll down to go to the video description. Here, I already give you a link that is a step-by-step workflow on how to set up the iClone Unreal Live link. Alright, now, I assume everything already done. It's finished setup, and iClone also already here, and Unreal Live link already inside the iClone. So now that is very, very fine. Click the content again, back to the main folder. Next, in your Unreal Live link in the iClone, you click here, click the setting, make sure, untick this, place asset in scene, close. Make sure the 3D models that you want to send to Unreal Engine is already selected. Now it's already selected. Then click Transfer File. Now, iClone Unreal Live link is transferring these 3D models directly from iClone to Unreal Engine. Alright, now click the contents. You can see Reallusion folder RL contents. The chair02 is here. Alright, now we should create a static mesh. At the beginning, you don't have any of the static mesh, but you can find a skeletal mesh. Double click the chair02 skeletal mesh. Is it still compiling the shader? No. Alright, this is a white chair. So here I will just click Make Static Mesh. And it will be under folder meshes. I will name it chair02. I click OK. Close. Alright, where to find your chair02? I click the contents. It is under the meshes folder. The chair02 is a static mesh. Before I put it into my game scenes, I will make sure I double click it. And then scroll down here. Make sure you get the collisions. the complex collision mesh here, collision complexity, you have to choose use complex collision. Choose this one, then click Save, close. Now, this chair 02 is ready to use. If I drag it into my scenes, I try to play, you can see this chair is there. All the collisions are completed. Of course, I can make it bigger. I press R, play again. It tests the collisions. Now you can see, I'm standing on the chair. All the collisions are completed. It is really awesome. So all the FBX file, if you send to iClone first and use the iClone Unreal Engine, the iClone Unreal Live link to send to Unreal Engine 4, it will automatically complete all the works, all the jobs that you are going to set it step by step. It also combines all the different meshes into just one single mesh and make your life easier by using the iClone Live link. Now you can see everything completed. The collision also completed. It is really awesome. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all to activate the notifications so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation and game developing. See you.